Marty, what are you doing? Look, Marty's got a friend. What do you think, No Star? Marty is such an angel. Marty, hi, sugar pie. What are you doing way up there? You want to come down and give me some purring and love? Come give me some purring and some love? You want to come see me? Do you want me to get your, here, I'll get your staircase. I'll come to you. You don't need to come to me. You're a cat. You're in charge. I bow to you. I bow to you, Marty. What do you need? Aw, we love him. He's the best kitty in the whole world. He loves us too. Look, you gonna give me a headbutt or what? Come on, you know you want to. Dow, dow, dow. Dow, dow, dow. Marty's made a friend. Oh, he went down. Marty made a friend in his skybox. Marty, you look great. Oh, I like you too. Oh, I like you too. He's purring. Ow, I get a kiss. Thank you. You gonna give me a belly? Will you give me a belly? Oh, no, no, no. Don't touch my belly. Oh, sorry. Okay, no belly for you. High five. Oh, well, I like a kitty who knows how to communicate. Should I stick with the face? Stick with the face? Yeah, don't touch my belly. You lady, who do you think you are? All right, back to the face. No belly for you. I learned my lesson. Well, you never know till you try. Okay, Marty, you look good. All right, here I go. Back down on my ladder. Boom. Put this down for you. Marty is eating every drop of food and is a happy kitty till I touched his belly. Kitty mouth.